Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. First of all, I would like to say please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel will cover Office 365, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, Configuration Manager, SCCM, Office or applications deployment, anything related to Office or applications deployment in Configuration Manager, and also Windows 10 deployment. So based on popular demand, people ask me how to remove Office Viewer. So I have this bat file here that I created. The first one is the Word Viewer. This will remove Word Viewer 2003 in Viewer 2013, PowerPoint Viewer 2013, and Excel Viewer 2012. All you have to do is just create a bat file and add all the MSI GUID in there, just /x, MSI/x, and then the GUID number, and then the /qn. So in this case, I'm just going to do all these four items here, and I'm going to create a package in Configuration Manager. Under Applications, Packages, create new package. It's called Office Viewer Removal. Put in the path, click Next, Standard Programs. Just call it Office Viewer Removal. I'm going to browse to the bat file. I don't need any command line, anything like that. Just make sure whether or not user is logged on. Looks good. Click Next. I'm going to change this to 30 minutes. Click Next and Next. Close. Here's the package. I'm going to have to refresh this. Here's the package. Now you can deploy it. Click on Deploy and target your system. That's it, folks. And I'm going to paste the command line or the bat file in the video in the video description. And if you have any question, please feel in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a good day.